Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to use hotspot on your iPhone 17. At first, you have to have your phone unlocked and make sure that you have SIM inside. If you have your SIM inside or just added eSIM, that's great because now you can use the hotspot. Now, wait a moment, to use the hotspot you have to go straight to the settings and now scroll down and tap Personal Hotspot. Here, enable the allow others to join, and now you have your personal hotspot enabled. Here you have Wi-Fi password, and here you can adjust your password for your users, Wi-Fi users. For example, let it be HardReset.Info 25. Tick icon to confirm, and now unauthorized people that don't know the password don't have the access to your Wi-Fi network. Here we have, as you can see, family sharing and child. We can ask for approval for child or automatic. Here we can enable disable the family sharing. Here, as you can see, we have maximize compatibility, and we can enable or disable that just to disable the 5 GHz connection, to have the 2.5 GHz connection, to have the other phones working with us. Of course, the internet performance will be worse, but yeah. That's it, how it helps you, and have a nice day. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments down below.